Hello everyone! In this video, we'll see how many shots it would take to travel around the Earth. We'll compare different types of weapons, from a compact pistol to hypersonic systems of the future. Let's stage perhaps the strangest race in history. So, the rules of the experiment are simple. We take the Earth's circumference, 24,900 miles, and imagine that each shot is one huge leap forward. At the end of each such leap, the next shot is fired, and so on, until we complete a full circle around the planet. We do not take into account loss of speed, we do not take wind and terrain into account, and even the Earth's rotation. This is purely a popular science experiment, but the numbers turn out to be surprisingly clear. Let's start small. This is a Glock pistol with a 9 by 19mm parabellum cartridge. The bullet speed is about 1,100 feet per second. A pistol bullet can travel about 1.2 miles. Sounds impressive, until you compare it to the scale of the planet. To go around the Earth, it would take about 20,000 shots, almost 30 hours of continuous flight. Let's increase the power. The AK-47, one of the most recognizable weapons. A 7.62 by 39mm cartridge with a range of 1.86 miles and a speed of 2,350 feet per second. It would take about 13,400 shots to complete a full circle. This would take about 15.5 hours, which is almost twice as fast as the pistol. Leveling up, the Barrett M82 sniper rifle. The bullet speed is about 2,800 feet per second. The range is about 4 miles, a serious distance. With these characteristics, it would take about 6,000 shots to go around the Earth. This would take about 13 hours. Moving on to heavier equipment. A tank. It has not only immense firepower but also impressive range. A 125mm shell can travel a little over 6 miles, and the speed reaches 5,200 feet per second. For a full circle, it would take 4,000 shots and about 12 hours of flight. Next is the M777 howitzer. It uses 155mm shells. This system can launch a shell up to 25 miles at a speed of 2,700 feet per second. From start to finish, it would take 1,000 shots and 13 hours of flight. And this is long-range artillery, ERCA. It also uses a 155mm shell, but due to the increased barrel length, the shell can travel about 60 miles. The speed is about 3,300 feet per second. These characteristics reduce the number of shots to 400, and the total flight time is about 11 hours. Moving to a new level, the Extended Range Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System. Essentially, these are rockets that move using their own rocket engine. They are launched using the High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or HIMARS. The range is about 93 miles, and the speed is 3,100 feet per second. To go around the Earth, it would take 267 shots and about 12.5 hours of flight. Next is the Army Tactical Missile System, or ATACMS. This is a tactical surface-to-surface ballistic missile. The range reaches 186 miles, and the speed is up to 3,400 feet per second. It would take 134 shots to complete one full circle and about 7.5 hours. And the champion of our race, the DF-17 hypersonic missile system. The range is about 1,000 miles, and the speed is an impressive 10,000 feet per second. This allows it to reach the finish in just 25 shots and about 3.5 hours. While you're flying from New York to Denver, a hypersonic missile would already circle the Earth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create even more videos.